Hello, and welcome to Ravenseye Tutorials. I'm Dr. Tim Lauer, a founder and director of research at Ravenseye. In this video, I'll be discussing how to prepare your word processing, copied and pasted, or scanned website data for analysis with Ravenseye. It might be best to follow along by opening a tab in your browser and navigating to our step-by-step practical manual, which is freely available online in the support section of our website. The online practical manual can be found by selecting Support in the top menu bar and then clicking on Practicals in the drop-down menu that appears. In the window that appears, each step in working with Ravenseye is listed. Since we're discussing how to prepare your files in this video, we'll go ahead and select Preparing Your Data. Ravenseye automatically analyzes textual data in one of 65 different languages. The list of currently supported languages can be found by selecting the link near the top of the Preparing Your Data page of the practicals. In the page that appears, each currently supported language is listed, along with a number of words in that language's corpus. For examples, there are just about 1 billion Spanish language words in our corpus. And if we look for the English language, we'll see that just over 4.8 billion words are existent in our English language corpus. Returning to the Preparing Your Data page of the online practicals, we'll first examine how to prepare word processing files before uploading them to Ravenseye for analysis. Ravenseye accepts .docx word processing files. This is the format in which Microsoft Word typically saves its files. If you're working with a different word processing program, you can generally save your file in this format by selecting either the Export or Save As function, and then selecting .docx as the format in which you'd like to export or save your document. Before uploading your document to Ravenseye, you'll want to remove formatting, such as italics, colored words, or underlining or bolding applied to words. You'll also want to remove HTML or email links, any images in the document, or other non-textual information. Once you've removed such non-textual data from your word processing file and saved it to .docx format, you're ready to upload it to Ravenseye. To prepare copied and pasted textual data, simply select the text you'd like to copy, excluding non-textual data such as images or links, and then select Copy or Copy to Clipboard in your computer's menu. Then, log into Ravenseye and paste the copied textual data into the appropriate location. If you'd like to analyze the textual content of a website, all you need to do is copy the website address of the page that you'd like to analyze, and then log into Ravenseye and paste that address in the appropriate spot. And that's all there is to prepare your data for word processing files, website scanning, or copied and pasted textual data.